Welcome to hall.
Hi cuties, we are going to learning alphabets. A for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Apple. B for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
balloon. C for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
cat. D for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
doll. E for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
elephant. F for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
fish.
G for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
grapes. H for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
honey. I for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
ice cream. J for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
jackfruit. K for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
king. L for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
leaf. M for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
mango. N for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
nuts. O for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
orange. P for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
parrot. Q for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
queen. R for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
rabbit. S for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
sunflower. T for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
tiger. U for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
umbrella. B for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
van. W for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
whale. X for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Christmas tree. Y for
2, 3, 4, 5.
yolk. Z for
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
zebra.
Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye to all.